get to wreck it, let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. DC's in the house, jump, jump, rejoice. There's a party over here, a party over there. Wave your hands in the air, shake the dairy, yeah. These three words when you're getting busy. Whoop, there it is, Hitman. Whoop.
All about. Now it's time for them to get on the mic and make this motherfucking party hype. I'm taking it back to the old school, cause I'm an old fool who's so cool. If you wanna get down, I'ma show you the way. There it is, let me hear you say.
On deck, rock the mic. I crave skin rip. Find a honey dip to dip it in. Slam dunk it, stick it, flip it and ride that B-double-O-T-Y. Oh my, ooh, that's it. Come on, whoop. There it is, I'm done. Whoop. The underground sound that you have found amazing, outstanding, demanding, commanding you people dancing. That's a breath taker. I produce, aka the Undertaker. You wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel. Can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it? Can y'all dig it? 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 W-H-O-O-M-P as I flow to the front from the school of old. Hardcore, keep the folklore wreck. 3 to the 2 and 1 mic check. Mass skill flow ill on the mess of steel. That's the thrill of the microphone I just killed. Party people wish the party tag team is through. Whoop, there it is. I thought you knew.